Good morning, this is Kathy, and this is the pre-market analysis for Friday, July 18th. ES is currently in retracement mode of a bullish pattern, and it has reached its ideal minimum retracement target of 1956. There's a potential pullback to validate an attempt to have a bullish cross, and that's going to be important if that holds or not at the 1952.50 area. If it holds, then it implies continuation to attempt to retrace. We can add the 78.6%, and what this is a fib drawn from 1978.25 to the low, so of 1949. Sorry, that's not 1949. 1942.50. So a hold above the golden ratio zone has ideal target of 100% at 1978.25, and how price behaves at each one of these gray fibs is important. Now, if it pushes back below the golden ratio zone 1956 and fails to hold above these moving averages, the implication is it's going to retest this PRZ of 1941 or have downside continuation. There's a major magnet at 1926. It's a triple PRZ all right there together. And profile shows that a major magnet is 1953. Now, yesterday was an expansion day, almost 200% of its average annual range. So don't be surprised if today is kind of a choppy type of day. It could have a nice range of choppiness, but there's some unfinished business. Let's see, price is currently at 1956.50, so we're in between this red zone and this yellow zone. So there is potential chop because there's unfinished business between 1963.75 and 1953. Okay. CL is currently in attempting to retrace this bearish arc. Now, it has pulled back to validate this bullish cross, but ideal target is going to be 101.48. Ideal minimum target for that retracement of the harmonic pattern, which will help me be able to fill in this emerging triangle or an emerging new pattern, is 102.06. Failure to get down to this golden ratio zone implies we're still seeking this triangle point. Next target will be around 105 and then 105.69. How price behaves at the golden ratio zone is going to be key, because what this is saying is this is a pullback, and as long as this bullish 5-0 is valid, meaning it does not break down 100.89, then it's a shallow pullback for upside continuation. But for now, we're looking for how much it can pull back. Profile wise, price is currently at 103.37. So price has pushed above this yellow zone, meaning it's attempting to move away from this 102.19 value area, and as there's 103.36. There's a gap at 103.36, but I don't consider it filled until it's tagged during regular trading hours. So as long as it holds above this 103, above yesterday's high of the day, 103.29, the initial important volume profile level is going to be between this 104.31 and 104.56. Above there has the magnet of 105.48. And there's like a triple pock up there. NQ is currently in retracement mode of a bullish pattern, has reached its ideal minimum retracement target. So how price behaves, potential pullback to test this 38.80 area. A hold above the golden ratio zone, or 87.25, has upside continuation targets. Ideal target is to retest this red zone, and scaling points are the gray fibs. Otherwise, if price pulls back and does not hold above 38.80, that increases the probability of retesting this green zone, and there's a double bullish PRZ at the 38.43 area, which becomes the magnet with the breakdown of this bullish butterfly zone, right? Profile wise, price is currently at 38.85.75, so price is in between this green zone and this yellow zone. And so this means that price is focused on being at this balanced area of 38.88.50, and it's not until price can break a hold above 38.96.50, or there's potential chop between 88.50 and 38.74, but it's really not until price takes out yesterday's low of the day to finish some unfinished business down below there, down to 38.33. 150 becomes the scenario. Right now, though, as long as price holds above this yellow zone and below this yellow zone, the implication is it's going to chop and keep continuing to be drawn to that 38.88.50 region.